Hello everybody. We're out here in nature again, and yet again we're gonna do some handstands. This morning I have a free day, so let's do this. I'm gonna make another video later, but for now we're gonna do some handstands, and I haven't really thought about it, just doing some handstands. This is a short warm-up for my for the real work that I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna call this Be a Tree. You know what the best way is to film this? And I was trying to turn my head upside down. If you do that with your handstands, your whole balance gets fucked up. So if you're doing freestanding handstands, try to do that. Try to put your head upside down. It really works. Be a tree. We have a nice tree over here. It's only too bad it's dead. Or at least almost. It's called a bug. I don't know what it's called in English. That you get. That's what you're gonna get with the CO2 stacking up. Trees are fucking dying and shit. It's a shame. And there's just short video for some handstands. Gewoon just standing, play with it a little, nothing crazy. Still sore in my chest, so gonna take it easy. And that's also why I have a fun workout for later. Again, trying to turn my head upside down. I think I'm gonna make this 10 minutes. I hope my phone doesn't get blown over by the wind. but it's very, very peaceful here. Not many people are coming in this spot. Be a tree. Be a tree. Be a tree with side branches. Not very good at split, as you can see. Need to work on my splits maybe to perform them more beautiful. Let's check the time. 6 minutes. It's getting warm out here in the sun. It's nice. It is still freezing if you are in the shade, I think. Not. It was freezing in the morning. A couple of hours ago. Let's do it from the other side. Why not? Oh. Cannot land it every time. It's weird. The floor is going to this side. It's straight for the balance. Do some opening up. Also nice for my other video, but that is for a later watch. If you are curious what I'm gonna do after this, watch the next video. Now we can do some stretching over here. It's also very good for the spine. Do some stretching. Climbing trees. Who does not like that? Huh? I have to watch myself with the roots. They don't turn over an ankle. So maybe one good handstand, then I'm gonna switch over. Feeling very good. By the way, I did some biking to this place, and also some walking. So I have enough movement. No. I always want to close off with a good one. That is mandatory. So let's take some. Let's throw this loose. Ain't done. Still want to do a good one. I should do it like this. See a little bug. I love, and I'm also gonna take this little guy. So I don't want to squish it. So, short handstand video. I hope this is some inspiration for you guys. If you want to learn handstands, just do them as often as you can do. Don't make it hours at a time, or that simply is not working. If you do some skill training, you do it before a workout, just do it short. Do it a couple of short times a day, 5 to 10 minutes. That's perfect. So with this, I want to say thank you for watching.